Here's a little bit of the damage from last night's big storm. That big old, and then over here, this is, you can see all of the debris on my side of the road, but that tree right here on the other side of the road fell down and was crossing the road. That was a pretty good little storm. All right. Water and Red Bull. And now it's 94 and 83 degrees inside the shop. It's hot. But we gotta make a pin. All right. Welcome to Night Devil Creations. All right, guys. So we are going to go with the Anvil. Come on, focus. The Anvil Everyday Carry. I have not made one of these on the channel. This will be fun. And Lollipop, one of my favorite blanks. I think this is a really cool blank. So let's get this one done up. Anvil Everyday and a Lollipop blank. Here is the other day. Man, when you put it like that, it just looks like a 50 cal. That is crazy. Alright. I'm working on the website. It will be up, and these will be on sale. So, unless I keep one for my own everyday carry. Because I've been rocking the same pen for about 2 years. Alright. I'll see you on the lathe. Well, I did not start the recording, but it's beautiful, ain't it? So yeah, let's get this together. Let's make sure these parts go together the way they're supposed to. All right. That goes in like that. There's that. Put that there. Well, if I would have read the instructions right here, make sure the plunger is fully seated, blah, blah, blah. That needs to go all the way down. I guess I've just always done it in the pin. Never had a problem getting it to seat. So, God, the bugs are horrible out in my shop tonight. So let's try this again. We know it's beautiful looking. Right, guys? I can already tell that's better. Yep, there we go. Last thing we got to do is put this on. Which I've never been a huge fan of clips, but they're a necessity. A needed necessity. All right. There we go. Smooth as butter. It's a beautiful pen. It's got a lot of heft to it. It's a really heavy pen. So if you don't like a heavy pen, it's not the pen for you. It is all stainless steel. This is solid stainless steel. Like, no joke. So, alright guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.